Hello dear students, today we will see few questions from the exercise 10.6. Here we will learn addition and subtraction based on time. So exercise 10.6 it is given. First question add, its first part is hour minute addition it is. So what we will do, first of all we will do the simple addition. 5 plus 5 10, 1 carry, 2 plus 5 7 plus 1 8 and here 10. So but in the previous video I told you if the minute is coming more than 60 or equal to 60 we will divide minute by 60. So here what we can do, because this minute is coming more than 60, so here 80 what you can do, 80 you can divide by 60. 80 divide 60 because 60 is in minute, 60 is in minute, we will divide. So once minute you will divide by 60, it will converts into higher unit in hour. So here we are dividing, so 60 1 ja 60, here you will get 20, remainder will come in minutes because we are dividing in 80 minutes. So here it will come minutes. So bete 1 you got, 1 hour you got from 60 when we divide 80 minutes, 80 minutes converted into 1 hour and 20 minutes. So that 1 hour you can add in this one because this column is of hour. So that 1 hour we will add here, here we will get 11 and in place of this how much left? 20. So your answer will be 11 hours and 20 minutes because 20 is left from the minute part. We can see the another one. Here you can add simple one 5, here 1, 11 because here 5 plus 6 plus 9 15, 5 1 carry, 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 1 11. So because this addition is of minutes, so we cannot take carry in hours. So what we have done, 115 we have completely written here. Here you can add it 5. Now again you can see minutes are more than 60. So what you will do, we will divide here the 115 minutes you can divide by 60, it will converts into hour. So we will divide it how many times? 1 times 60, here 5 and 11 minus 6 5. So the remainder will comes in minute and quotient will come in hour. So this 1 hour you can add in column of hour and what will left to this side, because in minute column what is remainder 55, so we'll write 55 here and 1 plus 6, so 6 hour and 55 minutes. Same way we can do here 9 plus 9 18, 1 carry, 1 plus 4 5, 7 plus 9 here it is 16. So once you will see these minutes are less than 60, so we will not do anything, we will write as it is and then R1 column 6 16 will come, 7 plus 9 16. So answer is 16 hours and 58 minutes. Now we will do question number 2, subtract. This is question number 2, exercise 10.6. This is subtract, how to subtract it, but you can see here from 27 we cannot subtract 58. 27 is minute, so we need to take carry from, we need to take borrow from 6, but 6 is hour. So from 6 we will take 1 borrow, we will take 1 hour borrow. You know that whenever you will take 1 hour, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Now you can see we are taking 1 hour borrow here, 1 hour borrow to minute. It means we are taking 1 hour means 60 minutes we are taking. So what we can do, 60 minutes you can add here, it will becomes 87 and here we left 5. So from 87 you can subtract 58. 17 minus 8 9, here left 7 minus 5 2, here left 2. So 2 hours and 29 minutes. Same way here you can see 49, from 49 we can subtract 35, so no need of taking any borrow. 9 minus 5, 4, here 1, 2 minus 1. In this third one part you can see from 12 we cannot subtract 25, so what we will do, from hour we will take 1 hour borrow to minute. We know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, so we are taking, we have taken now 1 hour borrow here. 1 hour means 60 minutes, so you can add 16 12, it will becomes 72. Now from 72 you can subtract 25, so from here you can take borrow here. 12 minus 5, 7, 6 minus 2, 4. Here from 15 you can subtract 10, 5. So your answer is 5 hours and 47 minutes. Now we will do the few more questions of next exercise. Now exercise 10.7. From both the question 1 and 2 I have taken two parts. These are very easy. You can directly add here. Here it will come 5, 1 plus 0, 1, 0, 1 carry, 1 plus 2, 3, 4, here 9. So you can see seconds are, minutes are less than 60. So no need of doing any divide. Here also you can do 5, 4, 0, 1 carry, 3, 3, 2. In this case also, if you will watch, minutes and seconds are less than 60, then no need of doing divide. Now here subtract, this one is also easy. 20 minus 10, here 10, 50 minus 40, 10, here you can subtract it, 11. In this case also, minutes and seconds are less than 60. So here 0, 1, 10, 2. In this case also you can see minutes and seconds are less than 60, so no need of doing any divide. Now we will see the next exercise. Now to take exercise 10.8. So 10.8, question number 1. There are 6 questions, but I am doing 2 questions for making you understand how to do the other parts. You can see hour, minute and second one it is. While adding time, if second, minute, any of the sum will come more than 60, we will do divide by 60 for converting in for the higher one unit. If second is coming more than 60, so we will divide sum of seconds by 60 for converting into the higher unit of time. This greater unit of time is minute after before second. So 60, whatever the sum which will comes more than 16 seconds, that we will divide by 60 and convert into minute. If the minutes are coming more than 60, so what we will do, this minutes one sum we will divide by 60 and convert into hours. So we can see now how to do it. So first of all, simple addition we will do. 3, 1 carry, here 63. So you can see it is more than 60. So again here 1, 1, 4 plus 3, 7 and 1, 8 and here 8. So if you will notice that here this second is coming more than 60. So in this second you can divide by 60. 63 second divided by 60. It will divide one time, because if you will divide seconds by 60, answer you will get in minute. Here left 3, remainder will comes in second because we are dividing in second. So your remainder is 3 seconds. So better 3 seconds you can write here, 3 under the second. Now we got quotient as 1 minute. So that 1 minute you have to add here. It will becomes 82. Now 82 is more than 60. So 82 you can divide. 82 we will divide by 60. But remember that 82 is minutes. 82 is minutes. You can divide it by one time. 60 here will left 2, 2. So here it will convert into hour. Minutes, when you will divide by 60, it will convert into hours and remainder will come in minute. So whatever the remainder comes, that you can write here 22, and how many times you divided 1? So 1 hour you can add in 8. So here you will get 9. So your answer will be 9 hours 22 minutes and 3 seconds. If you did not understand, one more time, one more question is here. Simple addition we will do here. 0, 1 and here 6. So you can see it came equal to 60. Here 8, 4 plus 9. 5 plus 4, 9 and here 6. So what is this 60? I told you if seconds or minutes are equal to 60 or more than 60. In both cases we will do divide. So what is here seconds are more than equal to 60. So 60 seconds divided by 60. How many times? One time. Answer will come in minute. Here left nothing. So nothing means 0. So you will write 0 under this, and 1 minute division 60 divided 60 one time means 1 minute. That 1 you can add in this. Here you will get 99 minutes. 99 minutes are more than 60. So what we will do, in this 99 you will divide by 60. One time 60. Here answer will come in hours. 99 is minutes, so remainder will come in minute. So remainder you can write here 39, and then 1 hour you can add in 6. So your answer will be the last one, 7 hours 39 minutes and 0 seconds. So by this method you can see other questions and try it. Now from question number 2, subtract. We will do 2 parts. So but here you can see second from 53 we have to subtract 20. So it is, we can subtract 20 from 53. So how much will come? 3. But from 30 you cannot subtract 56. So what you will do, from here you will take carry. We will take one borrow here. 1 hour we will take borrow. 1 hour means 60 minutes we are taking. 60 minutes means 30 plus 60, 90. Here we left 9. Subtracting 90 minus 56, 4 and 9, 8 minus 5, 3. 9 minus 4, 5. Now you can see in the E part 25, 14 and 13. From 13 we have to subtract 15, which is not possible. So what we will do, from here we will take borrow 1 minute. 1 minute means 60 seconds we are taking borrow. Here we left 13. So here it total will become here 73. From 73 15 can subtract. 13 minus 5, 8. And here 6 minus 1, 5. Now from 13 we cannot subtract 15. So from here you will take 1 hour borrow here. 1 hour means 60 minutes. So total will becomes here 73. For 73 you can subtract 50. 3 and here 23. Here we left 24. From 24 you can subtract 15. 14 minus 5, 9 and here 0. So better like this you can do other parts. In next video we will discuss next exercise. Thank you.